Good morning. I wanted to show you today's project. This is 2013 370Z that got hit in the right front. So we put a fender on it. You see it's already trimmed out. I'll just take you around the car real quick and show you. It's a fairly simple operation. There's some hood seals along the side of this fender here. Along here, you pull that out and it looks like that. And there are your bolts to get to the fender. Here and here and back here, and then you have one, sorry about the camera jerking, in here in the door jamb, and then down bottom, and then at the very bottom you have two more. And the door has been detrimmed and is ready for paint. Took the rocker off, we're going to fix it and paint it. It's only held in with 10mm bolts on the bottom and clips in the side. And we have this sail panel and roof trim piece that snaps in. All those are just snap holes, clip holes, pop in there. And then you pull off the rubber gasket that goes around the window that sits in this area. Pull that off and it exposes all the bolts, or Phillips screws actually, that hold the molding in. So pull those out and the piece pops right off. Real simple. There's the wrecked fender, and there's the wrecked bumper, and there's the wrecked rocker under repair. So I'll get that finished and send it to the paint shop and come back and show you this thing when it's all done. Thank you for joining me.